In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MT4 on a VPS. The same procedure also applies if you plan to install it on a PC or laptop. So this is the icon from my VPS provider that connects to the VPS. So if I run this, I'll log into the VPS. So first thing I'm going to do is to copy the MT4 installer onto the VPS. So this is my downloads folder, and here is the MT4 installer. So I right click here and copy, and then on the VPS desktop I right click and paste the installer onto the desktop. So I run the installer. So first thing I need to do is to change the target folder in the settings. So I click on this settings button here and change the installation folder to C:/MT4 JDR securities 1. I'm calling it 1 because I plan to install a second terminal later on, and I copy that name into the program group as well. So this is just an easier folder to work with in the root of drive C rather than the program files, which should be the default installation. So I step through the installer dialogues. That's finished, so that will now run the MT4. At this point, I'm not going to log into the account, so I'm just going to cancel the dialogues here, and I'm going to close MT4, and here you'll see that it's installed an icon on the desktop. So drag this over here. I can delete the meta editor, and I'm going to rename the icon as MT4 JDR securities, as we'll install a second one later on. And the final step is to right click and go into properties, and in the target field go to the end and type space and then /portable. Apply that. So by doing that, all of the program files and the data are stored in a single folder in the C:/MT4 JDR securities, and that I can check if I go into the MT4. So again, not logging on at the moment, just cancelling those. If I go into File, Open Data folder, so there you'll see that the path is in the C:/MT4 JDR securities. So here's the MQ4 folder. I'm going to make a shortcut link on the desktop so we can easily access that folder. So to do that, I right click and then select Send to and Desktop Create Shortcut. Close that and close MT4. So there's my shortcut. So I normally just drag it and place it below the program icon, and this I will name as something like demo 1. So that's it. That is MT4 installed.